Before you watch the video, you should like, subscribe and press the bell icon to watch the video regularly. And today I am telling you about introduction technical drawing. यानी कि आपको टेक्निकल ड्राइंग से रिलेशन बता रहा हूँ मैं कि टेक्निकल ड्राइंग में क्या क्या होता है। और यहाँ इंट्रोडक्शन पार्ट 1 आपको बता चुका हूँ मैं। आज हम आपको बताने जा रहे हैं इंट्रोडक्शन टेक्निकल ड्राइंग पार्ट 2। Here I left something in my previous video which are called angles. How many types of angles are there? I have told you, and I left here supplementary angle. Sir, supplementary angle ये मैंने छोड़ा हुआ था कि आज आपको बताते हैं supplementary angle. What are called supplementary angle? The angle, the addition of the angle. When the addition of an angle, मान लिया something this angle, suppose that this angle plus this angle is equal to 180 degree. So these are called supplementary to these angles are called supplementary angle. Okay, and now complementary angle. Complementary angle, the angles, the addition of the angle, this angle and this angle will be in 90 degree. When the addition of the angle is 90 degree, the angle is called complementary angle. Okay. So, and now I am going to tell you about next type of angles. Suppose that vertically opposite. Vertically opposite angle. Which type of angles they are? Vertically opposite angle. Then, when a line AB intersecting a line CD is the common angle of O. This angle is formed AOC, this angle, and BOB, this angle. This angle are also are called vertically opposite, and also another angle are formed ABC. AO, ये वाला angle और ये वाला angle. These are also called vertically opposite, and these are also equal to each other. Look at it, this angle AOC, angle AOC and angle BOB are called vertically opposite angle. And then in them adjusted angle. Adjusted angle. What are the adjusted angle? Adjusted angle is called. And now look at there. This here are also adjusted angle. When a line AB intersects the line CD, the common point is O. This angle and this angle and this angle also called adjusted angle. Two adjusted angle is called supplementary angle. Okay, these are also called complementary angle. The addition of complementary angle is always 180 degree. Okay, then, and now I am going to tell you about median. Let's remove it. एंड देन ट्रायंगल के आगे बढ़ते हैं तो बात आती है क्वाड्रिलेटरल। Quadrilateral, what are called quadrilateral? The area of which is covered by four sides. The area which is covered by four sides is called quadrilateral. Okay. The lines, meeting lines are called vertices. Meeting lines are called vertices. These are called these A, B, C, D. This area is called quadrilateral. Okay. And now, how many types of quadrilaterals? Quadrilaterals have many types. Just like first of all, trapezoid. Trapezoid. What are called trapezoid? One side parallel and one side unparallel. This area is called trapezoid. Look at it, A, B, C, D. This is the figure of trapezoid. A quadrilateral whose one opposite sides are parallel, it is called trapezoid. And now next, parallelogram. Parallelogram. What is called parallelogram? Then the parallelogram has parallelograms have opposite sides are parallel. This side parallel to this and this side parallel to this. This is called parallelogram. And now rectangle. What is called rectangle? As we know that rectangle is the area covered by four sides and all sides are opposite sides are equal to each other and also all the angles have 90 degrees. This area is called rectangle. Okay. And now next one is square. What is the square? The square is a area covered by four sides. It is also called a quadrilateral. A, B, C, and D. A, B, C, and D. Then all sides are equal and all angles are 90 degrees. This type of area is called square. Okay. And now rhombus. What is called rhombus? Then an area, a parallelogram have all four sides are equal. All four sides are equal, but angles, opposite angles are common. ABCD. Then this angle common to this angle common to this, and this side common to this side common to this. But they are both parallel also. This situation or this figure is called rhombus. And now let me tell you about more. Kite. Next number is kite. What is kite? Then this type of figure. This type of figure where this line parallel to this line, this line common to this line, and this line common to this line. यानी कि AB is equal to AD and BC is equal to BC. Okay. It is type of quadrilateral. A quadrilateral which two pairs of adjusted angle, and that's just like that. This type and this type are two pairs of adjusted angle is called quadrilateral. And now next, polygon. What is called polygon? And before 4 lines, let's have a take here 5 lines, 6 lines, 7 lines, whenever they are called parallel to, they are called equal to each other, they are called regular polygon, regular pentagon, regular hexagon, regular 3, 6, 1, 7, regular 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, heptagon, and then here octagon. Whenever their sides are same, they are called regular. Okay, is called parallelogram. This size is called 1/4 के बाद अगर कोई लाइन बढ़ती है किसी भी एरिया पर, किसी एरिया को घेरने के लिए 4 से ज़्यादा लाइन अगर होती है तो पॉलीगॉन की कंडीशन में आ जाता है. तो ये पेंटागन, हेक्सागन, हेप्टागन, octagon, nanogon, and decagon. In this time, decagon means 10 sides. And if they are this all sides are common, they are called regular polygon. Okay. And now let's talk about some geometrical instrument. Geometrical signs. Geometrical signs. You know that plus, minus, into, divide, since, and therefore, equal to, angle, perpendicular, this, congruent, इक्वल टू हो गया, इक्वल टू नॉट, और दिस और दिस आर आल्सो कॉल्ड कॉन्ग्रुएंट। अगर 3 लाइन्स आपके पास पड़ी हुई हैं तो उनको आप कॉन्ग्रुएंट कहेंगे। एंड देन दिस इज कॉल्ड नॉट कॉन्ग्रुएंट। हियर इज, यहां ले लेते हैं right angle arc, it is a part of a circle. This means greater than and less than. Triangle, circle, degree, and this sign is called difference. अलग sign है इसका different. different यानी दो चीजों में डिफरेंस अगर दिखाया जाए तो इट इज कॉल्ड पैरेलल। एंड नॉट ग्रेटर, इसको ऐसे न करके ऐसे दिखाया जाए, नॉट ग्रेटर, नॉट लेस। और यहाँ पे कुछ साइन बच रहे हैं, सभी को मालूम है, रेक्टेंगल, पैरेललोग्राम एंड स्क्वायर। These are the signs which are used in plane geometry. Okay, so have a nice day.